My dear class 12 students, today we discuss the second part of the chapter 3 matrices. In this topic, in part 2, we discuss the topic multiplication of two matrices, transpose of matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We discuss one by one. Firstly, we discuss the multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices and what is the basic condition? What is the basic condition of multiplication of two matrices? Firstly, we discuss the topic multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. What is the basic condition of multiplication of two matrices? Suppose a matrix A. Suppose a matrix A Aij m into n, and another matrix B, Bij n into P. Then the multiplication matrix AB, equal to Cij m into P. This is the basic condition of the multiplication of two matrices. Suppose a matrix Aij m into n. Matrix A, the order of the matrix A is the m into n. Means matrix A formed by the m row and n column. And the matrix B, Bij, n into P means n row and p column. हम दो मैट्रिक्स को तभी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं जब फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम और सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ रो इक्वल हो. दिस इज द बेसिक कंडीशन. This is the basic condition of the multiplication of the two matrix. In the first matrix, the number of column, and in second matrix, the number of row are equal. Then we can multiply the matrix. Other we cannot multiply the two matrix. पहले मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम, दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ रो इक्वल होना चाहिए, तभी इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लाई हो सकता है. Otherwise it is cannot possible. We give the two example and solve the example. How can we multiply the two matrix? Suppose, and after multiplication of AB, the new matrix Cij, and the order of the new matrix is m into P. Then order of the matrix after multiplication is m into P. Then students, what is the basic condition of the multiplication of two matrix? फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स पहले मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम और दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ रो इक्वल होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज we cannot multiply the two matrices. We give the example. Suppose suppose a matrix A, suppose a matrix A 2 3 1 0 4 6 3 1 2, and another matrix B, one 3 minus 1 4 2 1 3 1 6. This is the two matrix A and B. Then what is the order of the first matrix? 3 row, first, second, third. 3 row and 3 column. 3 into 3. After multiplication of the matrix AB, the order of the matrix AB is 3 into 3. The order of the matrix is 3 into 3. 3 row, 3 column. The order of the matrix B is 3 into 3. 3 row and 3 column. Then what is the order of the matrix AB is 3 into 3. A, the matrix A, order 3 into 3. And matrix B and matrix B order 3 into 3. Firstly we see this is the fulfill the condition of the multiplication of matrix. What is condition? The condition is the number of column of the matrix A. Then what is the number of column? 3. And the number of row of the matrix B is 3. Then it is to multiply. What is the condition? क्या कंडीशन है? पहले मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम. Then what is the number of column? 3. दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ रो. कितने नंबर ऑफ रो है? 3. दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. Then we multiply the matrix. Otherwise we cannot multiply the matrix. After multiplication, what is the order? The order of AB is 3 into 3. 3 into. Then now we multiply. Now we multiply AB. Now we multiply AB. How can we multiply matrix A into matrix B? We multiply the first row in first column, second column and third column. Then we get the first row. After we multiply second row in first column, in second column, in third column. We get the second row. After we multiply the third row in first column, in second column, in third column, we get the third row. Now we multiply first row in first column, second column and third column, and we get the first row. Now multiply 2 first row, 2 into 1. First row, first column, plus 3 into 4, plus 1 into 3. Now first row, second column, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now first row, third column, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 into 6. This is the first row. Now we multiply the second row in first column, in second column, in third column. Then we get the second row of the AB. Then we multiply 0 into 1 plus 4 plus 6 into 3. Now second row, second column. 0 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 into 1. Now second row, third column. 0 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 6 into 6. This is the second row of the AB. Now we multiply the third row, first column, second column and third column. Now 3 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. 3 1 into 1 plus 2 into 6. This is the third column. First row मैंने क्या किया? फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या मिल गया? फर्स्ट रो मिल गया. फिर सेकेंड रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो सेकेंड रो मिल गया. फिर थर्ड रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो थर्ड रो मिल गया. You check this is wrong. This is 1 1 4 4 3 3. This is again same 3 3 2 2 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 6 6 6. And now देखो matrix 2 3 1 0 4 6 3 1 2 2 3 1 0 4 6 3 1 2. You check this is the wrong or right. 2 3 1 0 4 6 3 1 2. After multiply we add then AB equal to 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 plus 3, 17. 12 plus 2, 14 or 3. 0 plus 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18, 34. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 12, 13. 0 plus 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 2 plus 2, 13. Now minus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 6, 7. 0, 4 plus 36. Minus 2 plus 12, 10. This is the matrix AB, and what is the order of the AB? 3 into 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the example of the multiplication of the two matrix. We discuss another example of the multiplication. Suppose any matrix. Now erase this. Erase this. Suppose any matrix A, one, two, three. And what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 1 row and 3rd column. And B equal to 0, minus 1, 6. Now, let us see the order of this matrix is 1 into 3. Order of the matrix A, 1 into 3, and order of the matrix B equal to 3 row 1 column, 3 into 1. Then first you see the condition is fulfilled or not. What is the condition of multiplication of two matrices? The column of the matrix A is 3 and row of the matrix B is 3. It is same, then we can multiply. Then order of AB equal to 1 into 1. 1 into 1. This means only one element. This means only one element in AB. Now multiply. You see the condition of multiplication is fulfilled. Then we can multiply. Then you see. First, what is the rule? Now multiply. First row in first column. First row in first column. Then this is 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 6. Then what is the value? The value is 0 plus minus 2 and 18 and minus 2, 16. Only one element. This is the value of A. Now we see you can multiply B into A. Suppose if you multiply B into A, then you can multiply B into A or not. See, what is the condition? What is the order of B? Order of B is 3 into 1. And what is the order of A? see, you multiply or not. What is the condition? The multiplying condition. What is the multiplying condition? The number of column of the matrix B and number of row of the matrix A are same. You see, both are same. Both are 1. Then you multiply B into A. Then you multiply B into A. Then you multiply B into A. And what is the order of the BA? 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Now we multiply B into. This is the value of AB. Only one element. Order 1 into 1. Now we see, we multiply B into A or not. Then we see the condition is fulfilled. Then what is the order of the BA? 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Now multiply. First you will write B. What is the value of B? 0, minus 1, 6. And what is the value of A? Value of A equal to 1, 2, 3. Then what is the value of BA? Now we multiply B into A. Now we multiply B into A. Then how can I multiply? फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम से करते हैं, फिर फर्स्ट रो को सेकेंड कॉलम से, फिर फर्स्ट रो को थर्ड कॉलम से। रो का कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो पहला रो तैयार होगा। मतलब पहले रो को पहले कॉलम से, फिर दूसरे कॉलम से, फिर तीसरे कॉलम। रो को कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाते हैं और हमको नए मैट्रिक्स का रो मिलता जाता है। जैसे फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम क्या हो गया? 0 into 1, only 1. Now first row में only one element and one column में only one element. Then this is the 0 into 1. Now minus 1 into 2. First second row second column. Now, first row, first column, 0 into 1. Now, first row, second column, 0 into 2. First row, third column, 0 into 3. Now, second row, first column, minus 1 into 1. Now, minus 1 into 2. Now, minus 1 into 3. Now third row, first column, second column, third column, 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3. Now the value is 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, now 6, 12 and 18. This is the value of BA. Now we discuss the 3 example. Firstly, and this is the A and this is the B, the value of AB and the value of BA. You see, the value of AB and B are not same. You see, the value of AB equal to not BA. This means the multiplication is not obey the commutative law. Then you see how can we multiply the matrix A and B? What is the condition? How can we multiply? Now we discuss The second topic in this content, transpose of matrix. Now we discuss the second content of this part, transpose of matrix. Now student, the second topic is transpose of matrix. Second topic B is transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix and property of matrix. What is transpose? What is transpose? Suppose any matrix A. Suppose any matrix A. Any matrix and any order. Suppose any matrix A 1, 2, -1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, -3. If we change row into column, then this is the transpose of matrix. If we change row in column, then this is the transpose of the matrix. And what is the symbol? This is the symbol of transpose, A dash. This is the symbol of transpose. Then what is the value of transpose? रो को कॉलम में चेंज करना है। रो को कॉलम में चेंज करना है तो फर्स्ट कॉलम 1, 2, -1। सेकेंड रो को चेंज करना है सेकेंड कॉलम में 3, 1, 4। थर्ड रो को थर्ड कॉलम में चेंज करना है 2, 0, -3। This is the transpose of any matrix. What is transpose? यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स के रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर दें, then we get the transpose of the matrix. Now we discuss what is the property of matrix. What is the property of transpose of matrix? What is property? What is properties of transpose of matrix. First property, suppose any matrix A, B, then A plus B. First property, A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Means यदि हम दो मैट्रिक्स A और B ले लें और उनको ऐड कर दें और उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालें तो उसके इक्वल आएगा। किसका? A का ट्रांसपोज निकालें और B का ट्रांसपोज निकालें और दोनों को सम करें तो दोनों की वैल्यू सेम आएगी। Then what is the second property? Second property, A transpose equal to A. Now you see, यदि हम इसका ट्रांसपोज निकालें तो फिर वही मैट्रिक्स आता है। ट्रांसपोज का ट्रांसपोज निकालें तो फिर वही मैट्रिक्स आता है। Now third property, K. What is K? K is any scalar. K A transpose equal to K A transpose। किसी स्केलर का मल्टीप्लाई करें, किसी मैट्रिक्स में उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालें या तो किसके इक्वल आएगा? मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकाल के स्केलर के से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो भी सेम आएगा। Now what is the fourth property? Fourth property is AB transpose means A और B का मल्टीप्लाई करें और उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालें तो किसके इक्वल आएगा? वो आएगा B transpose into A transpose। This is the transpose. What is the transpose? यदि रो को कॉलम में चेंज कर दे तो ट्रांसपोज हो जाता है किसी मैट्रिक्स का। एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी? दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स। नाउ द थर्ड कंटेंट ऑफ दिस part is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix and what is the skew symmetric matrix? We discuss one by one. Now what is the symmetric matrix? What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकालें और वही मैट्रिक्स आ जाए सेम, तो वो हम बोलते हैं दिस इज द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। व्हाट इज द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स? यदि हम सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स दोनों स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में पॉसिबल है। यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकालें फिर वही मैट्रिक्स आ जाए तो हम बोलते हैं कि दिस इज द सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। सपोज नाउ वी गिव द एग्जांपल। सपोज ए मैट्रिक्स ए, ए मैट्रिक्स ए, ए मैट्रिक्स ए, ए मैट्रिक्स ए। नाउ 1 4 7. Suppose here, 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 here. Now this is the, suppose this is the 5 and this is -5. This is 6. Now this is the 6. This is -6. This is 8, yeah, -8, and this is 8. No, this is minus now plus and minus. Same element. 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8. This is the right diagonal element. Now we find the transpose. Transpose. Now we find the transpose of this matrix. A transpose, A transpose, A transpose. ट्रांसपोज में क्या करना है? रो को कॉलम में चेंज करना। देखिए 1 फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, 1 5 6, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, 5 4 8, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम, 6 8 7. You see in the matrix, in matrix both A and A transpose are equal. Then this is the example of the symmetric matrix. We give another example. Suppose any matrix B, this is the diagonal 2 4 7. Now this is position, this. Now we write 5. This is also 5. Suppose this is -1. This is also -1. This is 8 and this is 8. Matrix. Now we find the transpose of this matrix. ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स पे क्या करते हैं? रो को कॉलम में चेंज करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट रो 2 5 -1 5 4 8 -1 8 7. You see both matrix B and B transpose are equal. Then this is the example of the symmetric matrix. Now discuss the skew symmetric matrix. Now we discuss the skew symmetric matrix. After discussing the symmetric matrix, now we discuss the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. What is skew symmetric matrix? यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लें और वही मैट्रिक्स आए लेकिन उसका साइन चेंज हो जाए, दिस मीन्स ए ट्रांसपोज, सपोज ए मैट्रिक्स दैट ए ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू माइनस ए, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ स्क्यू, दिस इज द rule. This is the rule, या this is the skew symmetric matrix A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू माइनस ए. यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लें तो वही मैट्रिक्स आए लेकिन उसका साइन चेंज हो जाए, यदि मैट्रिक्स पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव हो जाए, तो हम बोलते हैं कि ये मैट्रिक्स जो है स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. एंड वन मेन प्रॉपर्टी, skew symmetric matrix is possible only in case of the square matrix, and the diagonal of the skew symmetric matrix is the always 0. Now we give the example. Suppose any matrix A. What is the main property? This is only possible in case of the square matrix. Square matrix means 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Then suppose any square matrix, the main property, the diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is the 0. This is the diagonal, 0, 0, 0. And this element, this is one element, this element, this. Now, suppose this is the value of minus 3, then this is the 3. Suppose this is the 1, then this is the minus. This is the process. This is the rule. How could we write the skew symmetric matrix? Suppose this is minus 5, then this is 5. Now अब आप इसका ट्रांसपोज निकालिए. ए ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू, क्या करना है ट्रांसपोज में, रो को कॉलम में चेंज करना है, तो क्या हो गया देखिए, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, 0, 3, -1, -3, 0, 1, -5, 0. Now we take the common minus. Now take the common minus. माइनस आप कॉमन ले लो सारे एलिमेंट में, तो क्या हो जाएगा 0. दिस इज द -3, दिस इज द 1, दिस इज द 3, दिस इज द 0, दिस इज द -5, दिस इज द 1, दिस इज द -1, दिस इज द 5, this is the 0. Now we see this is the both matrix are the same. This means what is the matrix? This is the A. Then A transpose equal to minus A. Then this is the skew symmetric matrix. यदि हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लें तो वही मैट्रिक्स आ जाए लेकिन उसका साइन चेंज हो जाए, तो हम बोलते हैं कि दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. Now discussing this topic, multiplication of two matrix, transpose of the matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, and today assignment is NCERT NCERT. Exercise 3.3. R.D. Sharma. Exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3 and 5.1. This is the assignment. Now student, you write the assignment and solve it.